So what's going on today? Patrick here, and today I'm going to be explaining to you guys how to make a secure transaction on a website. Let's begin. First step is to check for HTTPS, that is also including the HTTPS like this, or secure. It should be either one of these. If it comes as an I logo or that warning symbol, the triangle, and not secure, then it means that this is not a secure transaction. These should be of the payment gateway, even if the website isn't. But if the payment gateway is like where you enter your credit card information is embedded on the website that you're buying a certain item from, and if it's not HTTPS, then it'll be like card details could be hacked. So second step is to use PayPal. So all of this information is according to the PayPal homepage, that PayPal enables consumers and merchants to receive money in more than 100 currencies, withdraw funds in 56 currencies, and hold balances in the PayPal accounts in 25 currencies. This is the safest way to pay money, okay? 19 million stores accept PayPal. There's a reason why over 200 million people trust PayPal. It's easy and secure with benefits like purchase protection. Just a quick reminder, all of this information is according to the PayPal homepage. And PayPal is available for free at paypal.com. So PayPal is safer than a credit card. You might be wondering how. PayPal is safer than a credit card because the seller cannot see your debit or credit card number. He'll only receive the money. Okay, that's the thing. Plus you also have PayPal balance. So let's go ahead. Okay, so these are the ways you can register on PayPal. So you can either create a personal account or a business account. All of this information is again according to PayPal homepage. So this is all information that should be true according to PayPal. So you can either create a personal account or a business account. With a personal account you can send money, pay on your terms, and shop easily, all with PayPal. The business account, you can start accepting all kinds of payments with one PayPal business account. It's kind of like merchant in like India's system, UPI, Unified Payments Interface. It's something like that like how it has become a merchant, or I am a merchant. It's kind of like that feature, like where you can start accepting money. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys. Like this video, click on the share button and share it with your friends so that they know how to make a secure transaction on an online website. And if you want more tech videos, and we're coming out with gaming soon, click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys next time.